Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. We're going to think about our steering. So there's a really important movement that we need to learn. We need to learn to twist from our waist, taking the rib cage and gently turning, using your eyes to lead the movement so that we rotate to face one side or the other. You're going to feel like you're turning like a spiral staircase, 1, 2, 3, stepping this way. Or if you're a child of the 70s like me, you can think of yourself more as a slinky. Remember that spiraling shape of a slinky as we rotate, spiraling the spine slightly one way or the other. Now, very important point here. If we're already moving forwards with reasonable speed, if we make this turn suddenly, it's a really bad idea. Imagine you're on a bicycle and you want to make a turn and you steer those handlebars suddenly when you're at speed. You know that's not going to be a good outcome. So when you develop this motion, do it gently. You'll be moving forwards and then gently look and rotate, and it will take you in the direction you're looking and twisting towards. Never sudden movements.
Get started with your forward walks and plant your feet into a number 11 glide. When you feel ready, gently twist from your waist, turning your upper body and face into the direction of your twist. Want to end your steering? Simply bring your head and upper body to point forward towards your toes. And remember, do practice both directions. Keep your weight evenly spread between each foot throughout your steering. Here Vitali demonstrates a variation with shorter directional changes. Remember, the choice is yours, so experiment.